Somebody's behind the door. Who's behind the door? Is that your mom back there?
No.
Where's your mom at?
I don't know.
Sound off behind the door. Who's behind the door?
Hey, crossfire.
Hey, Abdallah, listen, buddy. I would love to talk to you, but we're not going to do it with you holding that spear in your hand.
You guys got an eye on him?
Yeah, it's Mom. Hey, Mom, how are you doing? Are you okay in there?
Put your gun down.
Columbus Police Radio, Tech 127.
How you doing, 27?
I'm good. How can I help you?
Yeah, I just beat the fuck out of my mom.
Okay, what's your address?
310 Columbus, Ohio, 3235.
Okay, you have to slow down. You said 3102 Jackson?
Do you know who I am?
No, sir. Is your mom still there with you?
No, she's upstairs.
Okay, how long ago did this happen?
I don't know.
It happened 5 minutes ago? It happened earlier today?
I have no idea.
Okay, so you don't remember when you beat her up?
No, y'all need to come.
Okay, what's your name?
You know who I am.
Sir, I do not know who you are. That's why I'm asking what your name is. What is your name?
You know who I am. You know who I am, Illuminati.
Sir, do you want to give me your name?
You know who I am. Come to the house.
Sir, do you want to give me your phone number?
Hey, Abdallah,
Pull your gun, motherfucker. Pull your gun.
come talk then.
Pull your gun.
Come talk.
Pull your fucking gun. Pull your fucking.
Why don't you put it down? Just put it down. What's your name?
The taser. Pull the fucking gun.
What's your name?
Pull the gun.
What's your name?
That knife. Please drop that weapon.
Fuck the taser, man.
What's your name?
Gun.
He's got a spear.
I got a fucking sword. What the fuck
Keep your taser. Keep your taser. We got you.
Keep some distance.
Keep some distance. Abdallah, listen, buddy. We can talk about this if you come out.
Shit.
Well, why did you call us then?
What you gotta do?
Why did you call us
What
then?
you gotta do?
All right, so
Let's get some distance here.
we'll watch to make sure he doesn't throw it.
Listen, I think that taser's not.
You think no with the taser?
That's a projectile.
Cover concealment, I think. Come over here a little bit more. Okay. Abdallah, listen, buddy. Why did you call us? Are you worried about your mom? Is your mom inside? Is she okay? Where's your mom at? Come over and try to help your mom sign over the car because you remember you wanted a notary, right? And what I do? I came over here and I talked to your mom to try to help you out, right? So you've always been cool with me. Keep an eye on. I don't really like the way this is happening here, Abdallah.
To the back of that car?
This car. Yeah. I'm trying to see if.
Hey,
Abdallah.
Fuck the taser.
Okay. Yeah, whatever. Forget the taser. Who cares then, right? Somebody's behind the door. Who's behind the door? Is that your mom back there?
No.
Where's your mom at?
I don't know.
Sound off behind the door. Who's behind the door?
Hey, crossfire.
Hey, Abdallah, listen, buddy. I would love to talk to you, but we're not going to do it with you holding that spear in your hand.
You guys got an eye on him?
Yeah, it's Mom. Hey, Mom, how are you doing? Are you okay in there?
Put your gun down real quick.
Mom, are you okay in there?
I'm okay.
Okay. Hey, Mom,
Sorry.
would you be
Come on out, man.
Hey, Mom, could you come out and talk to me real quick? Just me and you. Are you okay with that?
Pull your guns, man.
Hey,
The taser ain't
hey,
gonna do shit, I'm telling you. Tasers ain't gonna do nothing.
Come on, talk to us, dude. I don't have a gun.
Hey, Abdallah, listen, buddy. I would love to talk to you, but we're not going to do it with you holding that spear in your hand.
You guys got an eye on him?
Yeah, it's Mom. Hey, Mom, how are you doing? Are you okay in there?
Put your gun down real quick. Come on.
Mom, are you okay in there?
I'm okay.
Okay. Hey, Mom,
Sorry.
would you be
Come on out, man.
Hey, Mom, could you come out and talk to me real quick? Just me and you. Are you okay with that?
Pull your guns, man.
Hey,
The taser ain't gonna do shit, I'm telling you. Tasers ain't gonna do nothing.
Barrel's down.
hey, Abdallah, listen, buddy. Abdallah?
Come on, man. Put that down. Come on, talk to us, okay?
Yeah, Go!
Come on, talk to us, okay?
Yeah,
Here goes Mom.
Go, go, go! I threw it. You're gonna get it again, dude. Okay, there's one. All right, we got both arms.
Just relax.
Anybody else here?
What's that?
It's just him and Mom that live here.
Mom, is anybody else in the house?
Somebody sit down in the 60s. You guys all right? Yep, I'm good. Yeah.
You got the distraction, sir.
I'm the only one having a good angle on him.
Yeah.
You okay, man?
Somebody back here.
Say there is somebody back
There's
there?
nobody back here.
What's his name? You guys know?
Abdallah.
That's a
No one here, just me.
Shut down the 60s. We have one in custody. We need a medic for that taser. Is Mom, you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Did he hurt anybody else here?
No.
Did he hurt himself? Did he hurt himself at all?
I'm gonna turn him to check this side first. Yeah. Abdallah, return you to check your pockets, bud, all right? You okay?
Hey, on 3, I'm gonna sit you on your butt, okay? I go ahead and search him first.
Abdallah, are you okay? I'd love to hear from you. Abdallah, you there, buddy? Hey, Abdallah. He's still breathing. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's just flip him this way to check the side first. Got something here. Lighter, maybe. There, I got you. There you go.
Ma'am, has he harmed you tonight? Has he hurt you or harmed you at all?
No, we're good. All right, Dollar, we're gonna turn you over. All right. Let's sit you up on your butt. Sit you on your bottom. Kick this leg out from under you. This one here. Come on, Abdallah, sit up, buddy. There you go.
14, thank you. No, not me, for someone.
Sit up for me, Abdallah.
We got a medic on the way here.
Yeah. Good. Tangled. Yeah.
Ma'am,
He's fine, he's fine, he's fine.
Okay.
He's all right. He's fine.
Take this from his cover.
We got it. We got it. All right.
Man, come back over
Yeah,
here.
go back here with this officer, please.
Let's talk over here.
He's just under breath and he's not eating. He's not eating.
Put my wire there, Jake. Okay. Hey, Abdallah, can you sit up, buddy? Abdallah.
Let's walk past him with that first.
Okay.
All right, man, we gotta go. Pull him on his butt and get him up.
Stand up, buddy. Let's come on outside.
I don't have room to get him so much. You go ahead and tear that out.
Well, this was the golf course. I don't need medic. Yep, we gotta have a medic.
I don't need medic.
Yeah.
I don't need medic.
Yep. We have
I don't need medic.
You gotta take those. You gotta take those probes out of you.
I don't need medic.
How you doing, buddy?
Is this a F1?
No,
F2?
it's not.
F5?
Buddy, I think we might just run you down to the hospital and get you some help, okay?
I don't need help.
Well, I think you do. And so that's where we're going to go with this, okay? A little worried about you.
I don't need you to be worried.
Did you call us and tell us that you beat up your mom?
Yes.
Why is that?
It's a felony.
No, it's not. You want a felony?
Yes.
Why?
Because.
Abdallah, buddy, come on, that's not like you. We don't need to be playing this game like this. Try to get fake charges on us. Hey, look